Hey guys, what's up? My name's Danny, aka Thrift Fish, and I'm an online fashion reseller. I sell on Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari, and today I am here with a mystery box unboxing. It is a Luxe Huntress Bread and Butta Luxe Box unboxing, and I'm so excited. I pre-ordered this box a couple weeks ago, and it just got here, so I'm gonna unbox it fresh. I have not taken a look at what's inside. So I'm excited. I've been wanting to order one of these for a long time, and now was the time, with only being able to get inventory on the internet. So let me open it up. Here it is. It's supposed to be, I think, 7 pieces. I probably should have looked at the details before I started opening it. But here we go. Nice and ready. All right, I do believe most of these are new with tags, which is great. Oh, can't find the top. Oh, heck yeah. So here, first item is a Free People Beach, size large, new with tags, little dress, probably like a little cover-up dress. I'm into that. Ooh, it's got like a cool back strap detail. Love that. Big into it. I like to sell Free People Beach. Next is a pair of new with tags Zella leggings. Loving the athleisure. These are great. These are a really great style. They've got mesh insets. Very excited about that. Got some pink stuff. First, oh, so cute. I love Super Down. Just the style of their clothing. This is a new with tags Super Down, really cute off the shoulder polka dot crop top. Like, how cute is that? Oh my gosh. Next, very sequiny and glittery. I'm not familiar with this brand, but I'm gonna have to look it up. It looks similar to Super Down. It's called About Us. It is new with tags, and it is pink sequin sparkles. Cute. Surplus neckline. Excellent for, you know, maybe going outside one day and going to a party or something. Oh, oh. Woo. I love this. This is a pair of overalls. New with tags, Paige overalls. I don't pick up Paige that more, but if I saw Paige overalls, they'd be in my cart. They are some a smaller size 23, but yeah, I'd pick this up in a thrift store. No problem. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items so far. Yes, so that looks correct. So there'll be 7 items total. This is rose printed. Ah, a Muse Society. Where's the top? There it is. Here's a Muse Society, new with tags. Is this a dress or a kimono? It's a dress, but it buttons all up the front, and it's not totally buttoned right now. But you can see there's buttons all down here, and they should go all the way up. And this is a maxi dress, this bold rose print. I love. Very pretty. I didn't say cute, I said pretty. And the last piece is a cool print. And colorful. This seems like a dress. Very fun. This fits my closet great. All of these things do. Okay, except all the pieces are confusing me. Okay, I found a tag. Okay, I'm not familiar with this brand either. AFRM. Affirm? Affirm? I don't know. But it's new with tags, and again, let me figure out how it's supposed to go. Okay, so really cute cut out maxi or midi dress. Oh, in the print you can see they put the name of the brand. Cute. This is so cute. I've never heard of this brand. I have to research it. But I'm very happy with this. So we have this Affirm is what I'm saying the brand as now. This Muse Society rose print maxi dress. We have new with tags Paige overalls. This About Us sequiny sparkle party dress. the Super Down crop top, all new with tags, guys. Zella mesh inset leggings. I think Zella is just Nordstrom's activewear brand, and this Free People Beach cover-up dress. I'm psyched for all these things. I would have picked any of this up at the thrift store if I was out, so anything I can get that feels like I got it at the thrift store and puts me in that mode is great because I miss it a lot. Bonus, I want to show you the other thing I got today, which is from Poshmark. I ordered this. Normally when I source online, I order a bundle, multiple items, but I could not help myself. This is just one pair of shoes. Now, there, in the pictures this girl posted, there was some condition concerns with what I got, but I was thinking I could probably fix or make them look better with some Dr. Martens Wonder Balsam. So they are leather. That's the next clue. It's a leather pair of shoes. And hopefully it's not that bad. Yes. These were a very reasonable price to begin with. I think this person listed them for $25. I offered $15 and they accepted. This is a pair of Everlane leather boots that I got on Poshmark for $15. This was the only thing that I was worried about. Okay. I've got this stuff. Not sponsored, but this is Dr. Martens Wonder Balsam. And it does wonders on leather if you haven't heard. If you don't have this stuff, it's not super expensive. You don't need it, but I would highly recommend it. It's so satisfying. I've had it for 2 years now and I still have a bunch left. So here's the before and here's the after. So not perfect, but it definitely makes it look better than it did just a second ago. So I'm hoping to get a nice flip out of these. I don't know if you can see inside. They say Everlane, probably not. But I'm very excited. These are gorgeous. So these are Everlane Chelsea boots. And this is what also came for me today, so these will be listed soon. If you like any of these items and you're interested, check out my Poshmark closet sometime this week. Should be up in the next couple of days. If you have any questions for me or just want to say hey or drop your Poshmark closet or your Instagram or your YouTube in the comments so I can check those out and we can all share our platforms, that would be great. If you like this video, go ahead and give it the thumbs up. If you like this video and want to see more content from me, go ahead and click subscribe. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you again real soon.